welcome back to the channel. Today we've got two products we're going to have a look at from Freewell. The first being the all-day filter pack for the DJI Mavic Air. Now, I've reviewed loads of filters for the Mavic Pro and all were absolutely brilliant. Didn't have any gimbal errors or anything with the Freewell Gear kit, so I'm hoping that we're going to have the same problem-free frame with the Mavic Air filter kit. One big problem I have noticed with my Mavic Air lately is the massive need for filters. All the colours just seem really washed out. The sky bleaches out to white. So it's going to be really interesting to test some of these later on today. We've got a good sunny day here in South Wales today, so I'm hoping we'll get a quick little unboxing on these right now and get one or two out on the aircraft. Have a little look at what we've got. Quite difficult to open these boxes actually. Okay, so there we have all 8 filters in there. Very well packaged, these. Can't even get in the box. Look. Okay, we're in. So we have an ND4, an ND8, ND16 and a CPL, a circular polarized, an ND8 polarized, ND16 polarized, ND32 polarized and an ND64 polarized. Living in South Wales, I can't see me getting a huge amount of use out of an ND64, but we can only hope. So we're going to get these on the aircraft. Got the Mavic Air here, so let's just pop this gimbal guard off. Now you've got to be very careful opening this gimbal thing. So hold it top with your finger. Some of these are very tight. This one I was quite lucky, it comes off quite easily. So just take that clear one off the front there. And we're going to put this ND8 on. Try and be careful, obviously you don't get your fingerprints all over it. Just check what number that is. No, it's an ND16. So we'll pop that one on actually because it is very sunny. I find if you turn it the wrong way first, it lines the threads up a little bit more easily. We can just spin that on there. Nice, not too tight. There we go. So we're going to give a little flight test now. We'll try a couple of these, we'll get a handful on the aircraft. And we'll see what the difference is. Okay, so there we have it, guys. Not the conclusive and extensive review I was hoping to do, unfortunately, but as soon as I got out there this afternoon, the sun decided to go and hide again as usual. Hopefully we can get back out on some brighter days and test this in a little bit more suitable conditions, but hopefully once you've reviewed the footage there, you will see there are some pretty good differences in the colours and the colour of the sky. As I said before, the sky on a lot of my shots seemed very, very bleached out and couldn't see any of the cloud definition or anything like that, but I think you'll agree mainly the darker, higher number filters we've just tried out quickly, you can see a lot more definition in the white clouds and the blue sky. The colours in some of the plants and the trees and the grasses in the shots are a little bit more defined. Maybe even some of the brickwork, you could argue. I would recommend these filters. I've tried all of them out. I didn't have any gimbal errors, nothing at all. And to be entirely honest with you, I didn't even turn the Mavic off when I was changing them. I just flipped it upside down, very quickly held the gimbal, twisted the filter off and screwed the next one back on. No problem at all. They are a little bit tricky to get out of this little case, but that's for their own protection. Obviously it'll keep them all secure and they're not going to fall out during the field. Really, really good kit this. I've tried this kit on the Mavic Pro and on the Spark and had the same results. A lot of you have been experiencing issues getting the DJI lens off. I didn't experience any trouble at all, so hopefully the ones will come off yours a little bit more easily. A lot of people have been suggesting maybe a rubber band or something like that just to grip hold of it and twist it off. Don't be too shy of grabbing hold of it. Mind it is quite a robust gimbal, you'd be surprised. But yeah, would recommend these, very good. Hopefully we can get some better footage further on in the summer and we do some more comparisons. Thanks for watching. If you want to hit subscribe, we can get some more reviews done for you and hopefully get some more questions and answers on the page. Thank you.